Welcome, friends of the Greasy Shop Rag. Today we're going to take a look at a Husqvarna 340 chainsaw. You know, the customer complaint is just a tune-up. When people don't know why they have a problem, a lot of times they'll just bring something in and say, tune it up. You don't get any more clues than that, so you just have to start investigating, right? Well, it turns out this must have been really low on power, but it still ran. And you'll see here in a little bit why that is. First thing we always do is look in the fuel tank. There was fuel in it. Didn't look like anything to get excited about. Now we're going to pop the hood. See what we got under there. Little small block 340 Husky. Doesn't look too dirty. We're going to take a look inside the cylinder and see what there is to see. If it's clean or if it's scored. I don't like those E3 spark plugs. I've had more problems with them things than any other plug I can think of. So we're going to put a normal NGK spark plug in here. Click. What's next? Let's take a look at the air filter. Yeah, it's a little dirty. It's a nylon mesh filter. It probably still breathes. But we can live with that. Let's fish that fuel filter out and see what we got. I mean, it's not that bad. It should run on that. We pressure test the line. It's holding 10 pounds of pressure. So why is this thing low on power? Look at that. We're taking the bar off and we spotted a clue. We spotted that the spark arrestor screen looked pretty black. You know, sometimes when a customer complains about needing a tune-up, what they really mean is well, obviously they don't have a clue, but it could be that something's wrong with the clutch, it's slipping, or the bar is dragging, or the brake is on. There could be 100 different reasons why they think it needs a tune-up. So we have to look at everything. And I'm not getting down on customers. I mean, my doctor probably laughs at me when I go to his office and make a complaint. He's like, duh, don't you know? No, I don't. That's why I came to him. And that's why they bring us the chainsaws and the lawnmowers, right? So look at this spark arrestor screen. Can we see through it? I'd say we can see through about 90% of it. And that would certainly explain a lack of power. So we're going to get this carbon burnt out of here. Yeah, that's a nice fire. That reminds me of something. Why can't a teacher have a flame tattoo? Because they don't allow firearms in school. Firearms. What do you call an overcoat that goes up in flames? A blazer. That's another high quality joke right there for you. So we're just burning the carbon out, and then we're blowing the debris away, and burning more carbon out, and blowing the debris away. Lather, rinse, repeat, right? What do you call it when a flower shop goes up in flames? A florist fire. That was stupid. What do you call an exploding duck? A firecracker. Why do ducks have flat feet? For putting out forest fires. Why do elephants have flat feet? For putting out burning ducks. Alright, enough duck and fire jokes. We're just going to get back to the repair here. But I did want to tell you about my buddy. He called me today. He's like, I got fired from my job. He gave up his seat on the bus for a little old blind lady. So he's no longer a bus driver. Okay, we have a nice clean spark arrestor screen. That makes a huge difference right there. And I know a lot of guys are going to say, well, I just pull that screen out and throw it away. Well, do what you want, I guess. I would feel pretty bad if I started a forest on fire. And as a dealer mechanic, you know, we can't do that. I like these nylon air filters. You can blow them out, clean, reuse them. It'd be nice if the customer would blow them out every once in a while, but hey, whatever. But after I do blow them out with compressed air, I always take a light and shine through them and make sure that I didn't blow a big hole through it or tear it or something like that. Alright, we got the hood back in place. We'll screw it down with our handy dandy power screwdriver. I like this snap-on right angle. It's got a clutch on it. Looks pretty good. Okay, we'll put some gas in here and we'll see if this thing's gonna run, see if she's got any power now. So that's all I got for you on the Husqvarna 340. Hey, it needs a tune-up. Thanks for watching. Later.